Food is one of the best parts of vacation, especially when you discover local flavors, and that's exactly what I'm here to deliver. Hi everyone, I'm Karl Holl, local chef and farmer here in Portland, Oregon. Thanks for joining me in this great suite at the World Mark Portland Waterfront Park. And with so many great coffee producers here in Portland, you'll want to get some of our local coffee and get a jump start to your day. So today we're going to make blueberry pancakes and build your own yogurt bowls. All right, let's do it. We'll even give it a little special touch by using some local ingredients like honey and seasonal fruits.